Eggs are often referred to as nature's perfect food because they contain all the essential nutrients needed for a healthy diet, including high-quality protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. In this video, we'll explore the surprising benefits of eating eggs daily and why you should consider adding them to your regular diet. But before we continue, we advise our viewers to consult with a doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes. Now, subscribe to the channel and let's explore. Heart health. Ensuring your heart is in good shape is everything. The contribution of eggs to heart health through their bountiful nutrients can't be overstated. Packed with healthy, unsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, eggs harbor benefits for your heart. These nourishing fats could help diminish triglyceride levels in your bloodstream, a notable risk factor for heart conditions. Eggs also serve as a supplier of vitamins B12 and B6. These vitamins assist in averting the accumulation of a substance known as homocysteine. Elevated homocysteine levels often correlate with a higher risk of heart problems. Furthermore, eggs carry selenium, an element recognized for its antioxidant qualities. This can potentially help lower oxidative stress and inflammation in your body, which are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Now, a 12-week study involved 20 participants who consumed different egg-based diets. The outcome found improved heart health indicators, such as decreased triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. Interestingly, only those who consumed whole eggs experienced a reduction in insulin levels and insulin resistance. This means their bodies became more efficient at controlling blood sugar levels by eating eggs. Cholesterol profile. Many people have been cautioned about consuming eggs because they contain a high amount of cholesterol. In fact, a single large egg has 212 milligrams of cholesterol, which is quite a lot compared to many other foods. But don't jump to conclusions too soon. Despite this, our food intake of cholesterol doesn't significantly impact the cholesterol levels in our bloodstream. Just so you know, our bodies, especially the liver, are already producing cholesterol daily. Here's an interesting fact. The amount of cholesterol your liver produces varies depending on your diet. If you happen to eat a lot of cholesterol-rich foods, your liver scales down its production. On the contrary, if you avoid eating cholesterol, then your liver compensates by producing more. What's even more fascinating is that numerous studies have shown that eggs can actually enhance your cholesterol levels. Who would have thought, right? They have the ability to increase HDL, or the so-called good cholesterol, and can transform LDL, the bad cholesterol, into a larger subtype that's not as associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Several research papers have looked into the relationship between egg consumption and heart disease risk, and guess what? They found no direct link between the two. Instead, they discovered that eggs could actually have health benefits. One study even revealed that consuming 3 whole eggs daily could reduce insulin resistance, boost HDL, and increase the size of LDL particles in individuals suffering from metabolic syndrome. However, a few studies do suggest a raised risk of heart disease in people with diabetes who eat a lot of eggs, but in this area requires more extensive research and probably doesn't apply to folks on a low-carb diet, which can, in several instances, reverse type 2 diabetes. Immune system. Eggs are packed with a variety of minerals that act as building blocks to enhance immunity. Take vitamin A, for instance, which is found in eggs. This component plays a crucial role in maintaining the barriers found in our gut and respiratory tract. These barriers are your body's personal security team, always ready to fend off disease-causing pathogens. Now, let's not forget about vitamin D. This vitamin steps up the game by boosting the pathogen-fighting abilities of white blood cells. Vitamin D also helps reduce inflammation, thus promoting a more robust immune response. Research on animals reveals that the benefits of eggs extend to all their parts, the white, yolk, and whole eggs. Each of these contributes to an increase in cytokines, which are absolutely essential for the growth of immune cells. Furthermore, it's been observed that introducing egg whites, yolks, or whole eggs to your diet could enhance your body's humoral immune status. This boost is reflected in increased immunoglobulins, our body's defense proteins. Interestingly, it turns out that eating eggs significantly impacts restoring damaged tissues in the spleen and ileal tissues more than just the egg white or yolk. Body fat. Eggs are loaded with proteins and fats, while they just have a smidgen of carbohydrates. This puts them at the peak of the satiety index. This index measures how satisfying and filling a food can be. Eggs, as it turns out, score pretty high on this list. so it's hardly surprising that studies discuss eggs as a great food for weight loss. In one study, 30 women who were either overweight or fighting obesity were given breakfast. Some had eggs while others had bagels. Both meals were identical in terms of calorie count. The results were quite eye-opening. The women who had eggs for breakfast reported feeling more full. They also ended up eating fewer calories that day and the next day and a half. Another study that spanned over 8 weeks showed even more impressive results. Here, the breakfast of eggs led to a significant weight loss as compared to a bagel breakfast, even when the calories were essentially the same. The group that preferred eating eggs lost 65% more body weight, reduced body fat by 16%, showed a more substantial decrease in BMI by 61%, and experienced a 34% greater reduction in waist circumference, a critical indicator for harmful belly fat. Source of iron. Did you know that eggs can be an unexpected dietary iron source? They contain heme iron, a form of iron mainly found in food products that come from animals. Our bodies are truly amazing in the sense that they can absorb this heme iron more effectively. This efficient absorption plays a significant role in raising the hemoglobin levels in our bloodstream, which in simpler terms is crucial for our overall vitality. A lack of sufficient iron could lead to iron deficiency anemia, which is alarmingly common and can cause symptoms such as exhaustion, physical weakness, and even a weaker immune system. Just add more eggs to your regular diet. But remember, balance is key, so pair up your eggs with foods rich in vitamin C for a wholesome meal. This can significantly boost your iron levels and contribute positively to your overall health. High quality proteins. Just as bricks are the main components in constructing a building, proteins play a significant role in building our bodies. They serve a dual role, they aid in structural development and play a crucial part in our body's functional aspects. Proteins are composed of amino acids, like beads strung together on a necklace. This string of beads then twists and turns to create complex and intricate shapes. Our body selects around 21 different types of these beads or amino acids to construct its unique variety of proteins. However, out of these 21, there are 9 specific amino acids that our body cannot produce independently. These are referred to as essential amino acids, and we need to include them in our dietary intake to obtain them. When assessing the quality of a protein source, it essentially revolves around the presence and proportion of these essential amino acids. A top-tier protein source includes all these vital components in the right quantities. In our daily diet, eggs are one of the best sources of protein. The measure of protein quality, also known as biological value, often uses eggs as a standard for comparison. Eggs hold the highest position on this scale with a perfect score of 100. Now, if you're a bodybuilder, athlete, or just someone who wants to maintain healthy body composition, eating eggs can be an excellent choice for your daily protein needs. They help in muscle building and repair, while also keeping you satiated and reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Choline for brain. Choline may not be a household name like vitamin C or D, but it's an absolutely essential nutrient that benefits our health in many ways. Often associated with B-complex vitamins, choline plays a vital role in various bodily processes. Key among these is the synthesis of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, a chemical the brain needs for functions like memory and muscle control. Furthermore, choline serves as a building block for our cell membranes, bolstering their strength and flexibility. A lack of sufficient choline in our diet can lead to serious health issues. Researchers have found connections between low choline intake and conditions such as liver diseases, heart disease, and neurological disorders. One particular group that requires a close watch on their choline levels is pregnant women. Research has indicated that a low intake of choline during pregnancy can increase the risk of neural tube defects in babies and negatively affect the baby's cognitive functions. Worryingly, a significant percentage of us aren't getting enough choline. A study of pregnant women in Canada discovered that only 23% met the recommended choline intake. Egg yolks and beef liver are the best sources of choline. For instance, eating eggs or just one large egg provides your body with 130 milligrams of this vital nutrient. So that's a wrap. If you like this video and learned something new, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching.